Business check now, and investors saw markets drop in today's trade after Wall Street fell on recession fears. Japanese shares taking cues from the U.S. with the Nikkei sliding some 0.3%. The broader topics dropped further, losing 0.6%. Tokyo-listed SoftBank, well, it plunged 2.86%, while export-reliant automakers including Mazda and Nissan both saw losses. The Japanese yen lost some headway as the greenback rose. It is now trading at 106.50. Better news in South Korea, where equities saw some of the biggest gains in the region. The Kospi jumped 0.22%, while the country's second bourse, the Kosdaq, it rallied 1.5%. But not much reprieve in China, where mainland stocks saw mixed trade. The Shanghai Composite barely moving. It eked out a 0.01% gain, while the Shenzhen Comp inched down 0.1%. Over in Hong Kong, the Hang Seng, as you can see here, ended 0.15% higher. Down under, Aussie stocks weren't immune to the downturn trend either. The ASX 200 lost almost 1%, with widespread selling seen across its four big banks. Both ANZ and Westpac in the red by, as you can see there, almost over 1%. Today's session follows declines in both Europe and the United States as fears of a global economic slowdown and trade winds continue to dampen market reaction. Markets are also betting on central banks to ease policy. All eyes will be on the U.S. Federal Reserve, who is set to release the minutes of their last meeting later today. And if all goes well, investors are hoping it could shed light on future rate cuts.